On this website, I have the Google Analytics tag installed with Google Analytics for WooCommerce. It's a plugin by WooCommerce, available for free. If you have this plugin, you should know that there is something called Google Consent Mode that is now mandatory. In essence, what you need is to have 4 specific parameters. I'm going to show you exactly how Google Consent Mode should work. I'm testing the website with tagassistant.com, and right now my consent is set to denied. Ad storage denied, analytics storage denied, user data denied, ad personalization denied. Why is that? That's because the website doesn't yet have permission. So I have this pop-up. I can click on allow all or configure my options for various categories. And now consent is updated to granted. This is the way Google Consent Mode should work. How I made it happen is simple. I use ConsentMagic by Pixel Your Site. This is, by the way, I'm Cristian Stoicescu from Pixel Your Site. ConsentMagic is our consent plugin. It works, of course, with tags installed by Pixel Your Site, but also with tags added by other means. In this case, I'm showing you how the plugin works with the Google Analytics tag installed using Google Analytics from WooCommerce, a different plugin, not Pixel Your Site. Now, we have a settings page where you can enable Google Consent Mode. Once you do so, we will use those parameters the way I just showed you, including for Google tags installed with this plugin from WooCommerce. Some other things that you can do or you should know if you use our plugin, we have scripts and categories and predefined scripts. From here, you can assign a category to those Google parameters. So by default, ad storage goes under marketing, analytics goes under analytics, user data under marketing, ad personalization under marketing. If you want a different setup, you can configure, you can select other categories, or you can create your own categories from this page. So let me show you once again why this is important. Again, I will open the website with tagassistant.com. And instead of allowing all, I will say, okay, I want analytics to work. This should work, but this marketing and Google fonts should not. Oh no, Google, I have nothing against Google fonts. Marketing should not work. Confirm my choices. And now the consent looks a bit different. This one, because was under analytics, is granted, but the other ones, because are under marketing, are denied. This is the right that a user has. They can opt out for one category and opt in for another category. That's the idea with Google Consent Mode. So it's simple. If you have the Google tag installed with Google Analytics by WooCommerce, you can also use ConsentMagic to manage Google Consent Mode, and you just need to turn it on in the settings. For recent versions of the plugin, Google Consent Mode is enabled by default, so just make sure it's turned on. That's it. I'm Cristian Stoicescu from Pixel Your Site. ConsentMagic is our consent plugin. You can find it on pixelyoursite.com. Thank you for watching.